Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Intercom and a mobile app for in-app support. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Intercom in your mobile app for in-app support, start by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the settings section on the left-hand menu. Select installation from the drop-down options. Here, choose the platform you are working with, either iOS or Android. For iOS users, find the iOS SDK section. Follow the provided link to download the latest SDK. Next, open your Xcode project. Drag and drop the downloaded SDK into your project directory. Make sure to add the necessary frameworks as indicated in the installation guide. Now, initialize Intercom by adding the following code in your app delegate file. Include your Intercom app ID and API key in the initialization code. For Android users, head to the Android SDK section in your Intercom settings. Download the latest SDK and unzip the files. Open your Android Studio project. Add the SDK files to your project's app directory. Update your build.gradle file to include the Intercom dependency. Next, initialize Intercom in your application class or main activity. Input your Intercom app ID and API key in the initialization code. Once the SDK is configured, implement the in-app support features. Add a button or option in your app that allows users to access Intercom support. Ensure that you implement the correct code to launch the Intercom interface from this button. Test the functionality thoroughly to ensure smooth user experience. Once everything is functioning correctly, you are ready to publish your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.